everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is we're gonna make an unboxing for this one and we got also some first impression for this one. So this is an Ozark trade rechargeable hand warmer, right? So and this one, yeah. I don't know. There's a total of two pieces, so I think it's for the right hand and for the left hand. So right, so yeah, and it's also a rechargeable, right? USB-C Type-C rechargeable. So okay, so without further ado, let's gonna unbox this up and let's go check this out. Right? Let's go gonna have to check this out. Okay. So okay, here it goes guys. So this is the Ozark Trail rechargeable hand warmer. So we've got three temperature levels, USB-C rechargeable, cable included, and doubles as a power bank. Oh, okay. Okay, we got that like that one. So we've got some still we've got some runtime of 4 to 8 hours, charging time 2 to 3 hours, 5,200 milliamp hours capacity, and we've got the built-in built-in flashlight and includes soft pouch. Okay, they have a soft pouch on it for the carrying case, right? So still gonna have to check that out. Oh, okay, there you go. So I see the soft pouch, carrying pouch. We got right over here, right? So we got the manual, and right here I think there's what's inside. Okay, I'm gonna have to check this out. What is inside of this one? Oh, okay, here it goes. We've got this a lanyard over here, and we've got the charger. Okay, let's go. Gonna have to check this item up. Okay, they gonna have to check this item. I have to check the item. Yeah, okay, so two pieces, right? It's two pieces. So how do I ever gonna get this one for two pieces? Okay, I get it. So I think this one right here is for, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna have to check this out and how to use this one. It says it says right here is, well, where is that? Two pieces. Okay, total of two pieces, right? Okay. Total of two pieces, the one hand warmer and a pouch. Okay. Okay, so sorry for that. So yeah, we're gonna have to power indicator light. Press and button to display screen. And then also the top view is the Type C input, LED flashlight, hanging strip and hole, Type C input and output. So okay, so gonna have to there's like that one, right? So and then gonna have to check that out. So and also right over here is gonna have to quick start guide. Press 3 seconds to turn on and off hand warmer. Okay, right. Gonna have to check that. I'm gonna have to take that off. So we've got the lights over here. Okay, we got the charger. The charging it up. So I think it is. I think it needs to be charged, right? So it needs to be charged, and I believe right here is the power bank, right? You can see like that. I believe that's the power bank. Okay, okay. It's not powering up, right? So I believe it's, yeah, it has to be charging, right? So you're gonna have to put that one right over there so that your hand is gonna be warm, right? So one or this one right here. So right, it's gonna be the one, right? I'm gonna have to check that out, right? So and then also I'm gonna have to, there's a light on here. So what right here is gonna have to check that out. Okay, so since it is not charging, right? Recharging hand warmer. Okay, this USB cable is used to be with the Ozark to the hand warmer only. Oh, okay. Temperature, three temperature levels. Okay. So if you want to go on low, it is a 40 degrees Celsius to 104 Fahrenheit, 7 to 8 hours, right? And we got the medium 50 degrees Celsius and 122 degree Fahrenheit, 5 to 6 hours. And if you want to go on high mode, it's gonna be on 60 degrees Celsius and also 140 degree Fahrenheit, 4 hours. Right, so the runtime. Okay, specifications right over here. We got the specifications for battery capacity of 5,200 milliamp hours, 119.24 watt hour. Input of DC 5 volts to A maximum. Output of DC 5 volts to A maximum. Product size was 2.36 and 4.33 and 1.18 inch. Heating mode is the dual side heating. Yeah, dual side heating. Estimated charging time is 2 to 3 hours with input power of DC 5 volts to A. Estimated running time 4 to 8 hours and includes hand warmer, one USB Type-C charging cable, one soft portable pouch, and one user manual and one hanging rope. Right? Walmart incorporated always reserve. Oh yeah, okay. Ozark Trail. Ozark Trail is one of the best gadgets right there out there, right? So we got the front view. Yeah, I can see LED flashlight, right? So and then you're gonna have to, since it is not charging, it is not getting on, it's because it needs to be charged. So okay, I'm gonna make a follow-up video for this one. Okay, this is not gonna be the end of the video. Okay. So okay everyone, so here it goes. So we got the follow-up video for this one. So and it's already been fully charged. Okay, so it's all gonna be on fully charged. So I'm gonna have to cover this one over here. Okay, I'm gonna have to cover this one so that we can have a full. Okay, so here we go. So I'm gonna have to do that one over here, right? So yeah, okay, so we've got this. Okay, so got to reach the 104 degree Fahrenheit, right? So gonna have to check that out. Yeah, and it's already working. Already working. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Yeah, it's already working. So if I'm gonna press it again, it's gonna be okay. Okay, here we go. 132 degree Fahrenheit. And also the last one is 140 degree Fahrenheit. Anyways, yeah, it's working, right? It's working. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, so it's working. Go back to 104 degree Fahrenheit if you want to save some battery, right? If you want to save some, you know, right? And then I'm gonna have to close this one. Okay, so here it goes. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, so you can warm your hand like that. So you can warm your hand like that, and it's really, really working, right? If I want to turn up, yeah, turn up like that. So this one right here is also okay. So I'm gonna have to. So how about to how to turn it on like this one, right? So since there is no other way, it's for the charging port if you want to charge your phone, right? So you can charge up your phone like that. But yeah, this is a really really good one for you to have it so nice and very perfect, right? So yeah, all right. So okay. So okay, I think that's it for this vlog and I hope you're watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. So this is a nice one for you to have it. So we've got the Ozark Trail Rechargeable Hand Warmer, right? So right, Ozark Trail Rechargeable Hand Warmer. So thank you so much for sharing. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. So stay tuned for more of this kind of videos. Okay, so see you again on the next one.